got there, huh? What you doing?
Bacon?
Bacon? How are you cooking the bacon?
Oh, I'm not cooking it, you are.
Traeger. I'm moving the pump.
Way to go! You're messing up my system.
You don't mess with bacon. No, never. Overdone. Hey, I need hot pads. Kind of burnt the bacon. It went from really not cooked to colon clean out. What's up, guys? So today, one of the things I wanted to get done is putting this roof rack and rack basket system and that CVT Cascade Vehicle Tent awnings on the Excursion. So I'm going to take the old roof rack out. It's quite dirty underneath, so we're going to go get it washed, run some errands today, and yeah, go from there. Oh, this one's broken.
They have to slide backwards.
Or forward. This one was completely broken.
Follow me, Hunter. Follow me.
Ugh.
Follow me. Follow me this way.
Crud.
This way, Hunter. Come on, Hunter. Touch this over here.
Yeah, Ma.
What?
Can you give me some of those green wipes? Wow, that was really easy. Come up here and take a look at how dirty underneath and like, I think it rubbed off your paint. Like, go look up there.
Ugh.
These actually come off way easier than any other roof rack rail. Oh, sorry.
Almost made me fall.
Sorry. Hunter, Akka.
The white ones? I never seen those guys. Yeah. Hunter, yeah, that's Excursion. Over here, Hunter.
Well, you think about it, it hasn't been washed since Madras. I mean,
Yeah.
since that trip.
No, these actually the easiest roof rack rails stock ones to take off ever.
No.
Yuck. Yeah, I guess it does need a good wash.
So yeah, let's go get it washed, and then we'll put this system on. Sorry, Anthony, I don't need it. You can leave it in there. Go ahead and put your shoes on.
Awning and basket.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this on there. Thinking about breaking out the pressure washer though, giving it a good spray down before we put it up. What do you think?
It's gonna get dirty anyways.
Oh, good, because the pressure washer's in storage. I figured we weren't going to use it here forever because of the hard water. We have such hard water.
Yep.
You cut it up to make gaskets.
It made me so fun.
Yeah. Good. Fold it over.
Yeah. That should work, right? It's just brown. It's going to be wrapped around it, so you're not going to really see it. Okay. Cool. I think that's all we need. So what's up, guys? So I didn't film a whole lot in there because I'm still not used to where you can and can't record and the whole vlogging thing, so I just didn't feel quite comfortable recording everything in there. But we got a bunch of stuff, or not a bunch of stuff, we got some stuff. Got the stuff to attach the awning to the roof rack, and we're just gonna go load up and go to the next place. After we left Home Depot, the kids were just getting tired and grumpy, and they hadn't had lunch yet, they hadn't had any naps, so we just decided to go home, put the kids down for some quiet time. We actually edited our first video, and now I just threw the dinner on the Traeger, and I want to start working on putting the roof rack on the Excursion. So. So we just found out the landing pads that I thought were the exact match. We had a Jeep Commander, which we used to have this roof rack on originally, and which used these style landing pads here, where these little metal things went in the rails, tightened up, and there's your perch for your rack rails. And then when we sold that, we took the roof rack off, and then we got my wife's, 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, which had a different style landing pad, a landing pad 18. These are 5s, she had an 18. And I knew those ones wouldn't work on our Excursion, but I could have sworn these were landing pad 1s. And luckily I saved the box, because I was like, couldn't figure out why these wouldn't fit, Everyone said these would fit, because I thought these were landing pad style 1s. So, come to find out, these were actually 5s. So tomorrow I gotta go drop probably about 120 bucks so I can get the right style landing pads for our rack and basket system, so we can mount the rack on the Excursion. And it's 7 o'clock on a Saturday, so nowhere's open today. And as far as I can tell, there's only one place here in town that's open tomorrow that might have them, so we'll just go from there. Unfortunately, no racks going on the Excursion tonight. So what's up, everyone? So it's Sunday morning, we're almost afternoon by now, but we're gonna go out and get some landing pads so we can mount that roof rack on the Excursion the right way. And got a day full of chores. Why are you painting out of the video? It's not all about me. Whatever.
I was kidding you.
Okay.
You're talking.
But people may want to see your expression, your facial expressions.
Meh.
I'm going to totally leave that in.
Don't honk.
So if they don't go after this Mustang, I'm going to totally honk.
Okay, then they have the right.
Can I honk now? Can I honk now?
Oh.
It's a BMW. Honk.
Oh.
I'm not going to make it through this light.
We never do.
I always do.
Only when you're the first one above everybody at the line.
See? There was only like, wow, there was 4 cars. There only should have been 2 that went through. No! Oh my gosh, that was like totally red. That was like...
fully red.
He was behind the line, he hesitated, it was red, and then he decided to go.
Fully red.
I mean, it got us closer and better chance of making it through the next light, but it's like, damn.
Yeah, it's like that all the time. That's why you don't go.
As soon as it turns green.
Especially around here.
Just got back, got the landing pads, the only place in town that has these, or is open on Sunday to sell these, so let's get the roof rack on.
Got me drowning, feel like running away, but I'm staying. I need your love and not a haven, no one man show. Cause when I dance, there's nobody on the floor. You move me to my core. Cause when I feel like nobody like nobody.
You make sure it's all the way down first?
Yeah, but it's not rated for my weight capacity. The next question is, roof layout here.
What do you mean?
More bottom.
I think so. I think it's good. Yeah.
I'm doing this in a way so if I slip, I can puncture my finger.
Got me drowning, feel like running away, but I'm staying. I need your love and not a haven, no one man show. You got me feeling good, like I'm drowning, drowning in your love. You got me feeling good, knock on wood. You got me feeling good,
Yes.
trembling from your touch. You got me feeling good.
This is one of the biggest CVT awnings that they sell. Have this nice little kit that comes with it, this nice little bag. I got half of my other awnings stuff in here. You got a nice little rope to tie it down. And this is, I can't remember the model of this awning. This is the upgraded one. It's the thicker canvas. And what I thought made it super cool is this here. If it matters which end it's plugged into.
There's a whatchamacallit back there.
I know. But that's what I was wondering if it mattered what end it's plugged into. Plug that in. Even when we're camping longer term, we can fit it through the window. But it's got that nice bright LED strip. Doesn't look bright right now out in the middle of the day. It gives us a nice little shaded area. That's all
Actually, like, way cooler.
oh yeah. It's pretty awesome.
Be perfect for when we got onto the dunes.